Hey everyone, this is Chris over at Acevacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. Just wanted to come to you guys today and let you guys know of a little bit of changes that we've been doing. So we are now open back up on Sundays from 11 to 5. Everybody knows our schedule. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 to 6. We're here Saturday from 9 to 5, and then now we're open again 11 to 5. We just want to let you guys know the updates that we're here. We're still doing the repairs, the servicing, the free estimates, as well as all the sales and servicing, things like that. And just to give you guys a little sneak peek, starting June 1st, we're going to be doing our summer sale, kicking off our summer sale. So watch out for some of the flyers, the posters, things like that. If you're in the market or kind of looking for something new, or your vacuum isn't working as well, think about possibly bringing it in and checking out some of these huge savings that we're going to have coming up here in June. Stop on into the store, and that's going to be on everything. Our sales, all of our services, basically everything in the store is going to be on sale. It's our huge summer blowout sale. So stop on in, check us out. Like I said, we are now open up 7 days a week. So if you need anything at all, stop by our store or give us a call at 703-997-9292, extension 2, and that'll bring you here. Also, you can check us out online at www.acevacuums.com. And don't forget to subscribe to all of our social media, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. If you guys have any questions, hit us up. Thanks. Have a good day.